Introducing Ask Pepsales AI. Meet Sophia. She's reviewing a strategic opportunity that's been dragging for weeks. Multiple calls have happened, but something's still off. Deals like this shouldn't stall for this long. Instead of flipping through notes or scanning transcripts, Sophia opens Ask Pepsales AI, her shortcut to deal clarity. She types, "What objections have come up frequently in this opportunity?" Instantly, Ask Pepsales surfaces the patterns. Pricing, lack of differentiation, feature gaps, hard to reach decision makers, and integration, compliance concerns. These aren't one-off concerns, they've come up repeatedly, and they're costing momentum. So next, she asks, "What can I do to overcome these objections?" The response is clear and actionable. Use real-time objection handling, prep top answers, offer flexible pricing, personalize pitches, and review call insights. Now Sophia knows exactly what's stalling the deal, and how to fix it. With Ask Pepsales AI, she skips the digging and guessing. She gets direct answers, grounded in real-deal data, so she can move fast and close smarter. Smart questions, fast answers, real clarity. That's Ask Pepsales AI. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.